guys, Andrew here from Chameleon AMLS. It's nice and early on a Tuesday morning, and I thought I'd take the opportunity just to give you a bit of a walk around our facility here in Albury and have a chat about the design and manufacturing process that we undertake in building our modular U-Train trailer platform. So I'll grab the camera and just swing around a little bit. We can see, located regionally, as I mentioned, on the border of New South Wales and Victoria, Albury Racetrack across the way, the big 200 with its locker going 3.0. We swing around to Albury Airport's 5 minutes away, very accessible, and we welcome a visit should anyone want to come down and have a look through what we're doing in person. Some support and admin team over to the left, but we'll swing through to the main front office here. We will see our project team, our design team, procurement and sales and ops, all running out of this office here in Albury. Everything's designed in-house, nice and close to the workshop so we can get a good feedback loop on design and process and continual improvement. Production management there on the left, but we'll head across now to the workshop itself and have a bit of a look at some of the builds that are going through the system. As I mentioned, all designed in-house, Australian designed, Australian owned, Australian manufactured. We're very proud of what we're doing here in Albury. Parts will come in from our suppliers on the border or down in Melbourne, everything's CNC cut and folded, both tube and sheet metal. They come in, they get packed and sorted through QA/QC and getting ready for build packs. As we swing around now, we can see the beautiful morning sunrise there, but also one of our base 4.5s, our smallest tandem trailer. This one's heading towards the Hunter Valley. The engineering in these things is fairly self-evident, guys, as you have a look at the way they're designed and fabricated all in-house. Another 4.5 here, this time a bit further down the line, sitting on build wheels. It'll get its alloys before it rolls out for the Northern Territory, this one. But we can see the anchor system, the subframe and our endless M12 support points there. Tough ride independent airbag suspension on this particular model. We've got 4 different stages of airbag kits. Just give us a ring, we'll happily have a chat to you about how that works, guys. But some lockers going together here, some more parts over the back. Our biggest tandem here, the 5.9, going together in final fit up. The undergoing 4.0, going 4.0 and deluxe front box. Again, self-leveling ride height. Lots of storage, Dometic kitchen, dual fridges, 300 amp hours of lithium and a massive, massive load deck out the back. Swinging through, we've got inner drive power, inverter, DC to DC 240, charging the boat on the back of the trailer as well, actually. We've got lots of questions about power. We can certainly help you with a full power and fit out. Guys, just give us a ring, we'll have a chat through it. Well by now, Hotworks down to the left, and we see here another 3.8, actually the biggest single trailer here, ready to go to galvanising today. That'll be back on Friday and then into assembly here for final fit up. So that's us, guys. Thanks very much. We thought we'd give you a bit of a look around and look forward to hearing from you. Cheers.